students of class 2, welcome to your maths class. So today this is a continuation, okay? So today we will do the calendar part from the chapter time and calendar. We have finished doing time. Now let's go to calendar. Everybody know what calendar looks like, isn't it? So here I have a calendar. I have got calendar with me. It's a 2020 calendar. So this is how calendar looks like, right? Okay, now see, a calendar is given. You can refer your book. You can see a book, page number 159. A calendar is given below. It is a record of 365 days of the year. One year has 12 months. Okay, so in your book, it is given 2018 calendar. So let's not go with this 2018 calendar. Since you all have got 2020 calendar at home, so we'll do with 2020 calendar. Okay, it's with me also here. Now, just remember this. A calendar is a record of calendar is a record of the 365 days. Okay, so when you see the calendar, it is a record of 365 days. Okay, so one year has 12 months. You all know this because you have already learned that in a week there are 7 days, in a month there are 30 to 31 days, even 28 to 29 days, isn't it? And a year it has 12 months. 1 year has 12 months. And the calendar, it shows what? Calendar shows here, when you see this calendar, a calendar shows month starting from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Altogether 12 months, alright? And weeks. So these are the weeks. Okay? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and year. So this whole months comprises 1 year. Okay, so let us move. You can see your 2020 calendar, okay, at home. Now let's go to page number 160, months and days. There are 12 months in a year. Okay, so I hope you all know the month's name, starting from January, right? Then how many months are there? There are altogether 4, 5, 6. Alright, this side 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There are 12 months altogether in 1 year. So first month is January, second month is February, right? Second month is February, and third month March, fourth April, fifth May, sixth June, seventh July, August, September, October, November, and last month is December. Since you have already learned in the junior classes the month's name, their spellings, okay? So I don't have to go in a lengthy process. So these are the 12 months names, okay? So here in the book it is given months, number, first month, second, third month, like this, okay, in the first column. And then second column, months of the year, January, February, same. Now number of days, so let's write the number of days as well. January, it is 31. So I'm writing here days, okay? Do not get confused. 31 days, alright? February has 28 or 29. I'll tell you why, okay? I'll tell you later for this, okay? February has 28 or 29 days. Same way March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30. So all these are days, okay? Days, same here, days, okay? And then July has 31, August 31, then September 30, October 31, November 30, and December 31. Okay, so these are the months name and number of days each month has. Alright, so January 31, February 28 or 29 days. So all these are days, number of days I have written this side. Okay, so now you can see different months has different number of days. When you see January has 31 days, now when you move on to April, it has 30. Now, to know this, we have got a simple way to remember this. Okay, so I'll rub this one. Okay, so whenever you see the calendar, you will get this number of days in each month. Okay, except the February. Okay, February could have 28 or 29 days. I'll tell you about this later on. Now, how you remember this? Okay, now it is just like kind of your fist. Okay, it is shown in the picture also here in the book. Now, close your hand into fist. Okay. See, you can read from the book also. Close your hand into a fist. Count for the knuckles. Count for the knuckles. Knuckles means here this top one. Okay, top one. You don't go this side. Not thumb one. All these fingers. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 knuckles are there, no? So you will see that all the months with 31 days are counted on the knuckles. The knuckles means all this top one. So whenever the months comes on this top one, it will all be 31 days. Okay, the rest come in between the knuckles. Now in between means this down in between. Okay, always start with January on the knuckles of the forefinger, then February on the space between these knuckles and the next knuckle, and so on. Okay, let me draw the same which is there in your book. See, this is your hand, this is your fist. Okay, now always start with this one. Now you can see this top. These are called knuckles. 1, 2, 3, the top one. Okay. Now start counting from here. January. Okay. Then this middle between this one, knuckles. February. Okay. Then the top again. March. Okay. Then the middle again. Isn't it? March, April. Then again middle. April, May. Then top one, June. Okay. Now like this: January, February, March, April, May, June. So place your January at the top, January, the middle, February at the top again, March, April, May, June, like this. Okay. So here January is at the top, which has 31 days. So all these knuckles has 31 days. Okay. Now in middle is that February. We have already learned that February will have 28 or 29 days. Okay. Now again March. So if it is on top, that means March also has 31 days. Alright. Now April, you can see in the middle, isn't it? So downwards. So April, you can see 30. Now which month? May. May is at top, knuckles. Sorry. May at knuckles means top. So this is also May 31. Now middle one. There's a slight confusion because I'm showing here. So this another one is top. April, May. Okay. Then in middle again. Then June. And then again at top July. Okay. Now it's okay. So April is in middle, so 30. Then May at knuckles, so 31. June in middle, 30. July at top, that means July 31. Again now from July to again come back here. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Now there's no knuckles. Again you come to this one. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and again August. So when you come from July to August, it is same from knuckle to knuckles. So that means all knuckles have 31 days. So July, August. Okay. So here January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and then again come back to August. It also has 31 days. Okay. Now August, then it comes to middle. Alright. So this is February and August, September. Again at the knuckle, September and October. Okay. Then October, November in the middle. November. And December at the knuckle again, so December, December. Okay, so see this: May and December, April and November, March and October. Okay, then February and September. Now leave this February. Because I have already told you February has 28 or 29 days. Now January and August 31 31 days. Okay, 31 days. Understood? So knuckles, all the knuckles months have 31 days and middle one have 30 days. Okay, except in the case of month February. Alright, now this is like kind of, you know, confusing type for you all to show here. Okay, when you do at home, you'll get to know. Ask your parents about this. They know better. Okay. Now, as I told you, February sometimes has 28, sometimes 20. Now why this happen means, you know, when you see the calendar of 2020, okay, when you see the month February month, you can see February month has 29 days. Okay, see the calendar of 2020, February month, it has 29 days. Now let's go to another calendar of 2019. I hope you all will have this one at home. This is 2019 calendar. Now if you see 2019 calendar, February month, it has got only 28 days. Okay, see here. 2019 February month has only 28. Okay, now when you see 2020 calendar, February has 29 days. 29 days and 28 days. See, 2019 it was only 28 days in the month of February. Now 2020 February it has 29 days. Now why this happened? Because we call this as a leap year. Okay. So one leap year like this. So we call this, if the February month has 29 days, we call it leap year. Okay? Now a leap year comes in every 4 years. So leap year comes in every 4 years. Now this is 2020, isn't it? Now 2020 plus 4 years. If you add, it will be 2024. 2024. Now when you see the calendar 2024, again you will have February month 29 days. Okay? So it is clear that February 29, 2020, it was on 2020, it is on 2020 that February has 29 days. Now when you see the calendar of 2021, okay, you won't get 29 days in 2021 calendar. So in 2021 calendar, you will have only 28 days. So in every 4 years, okay, you will have your leap year. In every 4 years, you will have leap year. So the next leap year will be 2024. Okay, this year is a leap year. Why? Because February has 29 days. The now next leap year will be 2020 in 2024. Okay? So this is how we see leap year. Okay? So here a year, 1 year, how many days? We have learned that 365 days. Okay? This is non-leap year. This is non-leap year. Non-leap year this is. Okay? A year has 165 days. This is non-leap year. Now, if 1 year has 366 days, this means it only happens in leap year. Leap year. Because you have to add 1 more days from February month. Okay? So in 365 days, February month has only 28 days in non-leap year. So in leap year, February month has 29 days. Okay? Okay? Now this year you have, if you count the whole days from this calendar, this year calendar, that means 2020 calendar, you will get exactly 366 days. Why? Because this 2020 is a leap year. Okay? This 2020 is a leap year. Now when you see 2019 calendar, you won't get 366 days. You will get exactly 365 days because this 2019 was non-leap year. Okay? So this is how you see 365 days and 366 days. Alright? Okay, I hope you have understood something from here. It's like to find the numbers of days in a year. It's not important to you. We'll stop here for today. Okay? We'll continue this chapter in the next class. So whatever I taught you now, just recall it at home. Ask your parents about this because they know much more better